In Belize, there's coconuts everywhere, and we have found this wonderful product. It is coconut oil. It can be found in the grocery store. It can also be found in the farmer's market. It's a good product. That's a local product. We also have olive oil. We're going to make fresh mayonnaise here, which is unlike the mayonnaise in the grocery store. We've got our acid that's going to cook it, which is a lime or lemon juice from a lime or lemon. These limes are really juicy, so we'll get good. So we've got, into our blender goes 1 whole egg and the acids. We have about a 1/4 cup of acid there. That's the citrus juice and the vinegar. Turn it on. High. Alright, you want to do this till it becomes pale. It should take a few seconds. And after we do that, this four on the top of you're going to add a pinch of salt. You can come back and adjust your salt later. And either cayenne pepper or hot sauce takes a little edginess off the egg. Again, you can adjust the flavor as you go. I'm going to start with my olive oil. You need at most 2 cups of olive oil. You may not need as much. You're going to go by what the emulsion looks like. You want it to go in a steady stream. You'll notice that it's starting to get lighter here, but it's still a little bit runny inside. So we're going to keep it. As the mayonnaise gets whiter, it also gets thicker. You can see that's getting thicker. And we're going to taste it now. And you'll see that it's like that. You can add a little salt at this point. It's got a nice little tang to it. And that was it. Now, I'm going to make sure you label it because it keeps for about a week. We got my jar here, and it might look runny now, but when it gets in the fridge, it's going to look smoother. Got my jar, I've got my label. If you want to make saffron mayonnaise for something special, I've got my saffron here, saffron threads, the world's most expensive spice. I've bloomed them in 2 tablespoons of water. I'm going to turn my Always make sure you date. July. Mayo. This is hard to write like this.